I'm Mike Curtis. I've been the president of Baril for nearly 5 years. Baril has been a family-owned business for over 40 years, and it started with Richard Baril, the father, who started the business making steel rule dies.
My name is Tom Mosier. I'm the Executive Vice President of Sales and Marketing with Baril. I've been in the contract manufacturing industry for healthcare for a little over 15 years.
So the current market demands that are being placed on the suppliers for medical devices is that their industry is looking at supplier consolidation. And with supplier consolidation, they're saying that currently we have 5 suppliers doing each an operation, so a total of 5 operations. And in the future, what they'd like to see is 1 supplier providing 5 operations. We wanted to add additional capabilities so that we could be an end-to-end solution provider to our customers. By doing that, we've added capabilities such as injection molding, such as high-speed pouching and packaging. We do integrated automation for our customers that may include robotics. We also do concurrent engineering with our customers so that we can help design for manufacturability and also provide opportunities where we can provide cost savings in the front end, because most of your cost savings come from the design end.
Baril's size and scale allows us to be more flexible, have more agility in the supply chain supporting our customers. We support Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 customers from initial product introduction through to programs that larger manufacturers may not want to support.